Namaste. Welcome. Welcome to the online English class. I, S.M. Tawheed, welcome you into the online English class. Dear friend, the chapter that we were discussing, my childhood, last paragraph of that chapter, that is paragraph number 10 and 11. So let us discuss paragraph number 10 first of all. Please take out your book, para number 10. Then the second world was over. Recall the incident that Mr. Iyer's wife, though she was conservative and was orthodox, and how she accepted, how she took APJ Abdul Kalam inside her kitchen and served me food with her own hand. Here you see the barrier of orthodoxy is broken. And here you see Mr. Iyer's wife that we have yesterday discussed. Now come to the, she allowed and served. Now come to the paragraph number 2. Then the Second World War. Then the Second World War was over. सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर जो था वो ओवर हो चुका था. फ्रीडम वॉज इमिनेंट. Freedom was imminent. Freedom, that means India is going to get the freedom. India will build their own India. Second World War was over. Number 1. Number 2, freedom. Freedom was imminent. IMN. If something is imminent, very close. Imminent is very near. Very near. Imminent. Something that is very close. Imminent is something that is very close is imminent. After the Second World War, freedom, India was not free at the time of the Second World War. India was ruled by Britishers, and you might be knowing Allied forces. Britishers were also part of the Second World War. The UK, that is United Kingdom. So here you see that freedom. Now India has to build what? Indian will build their own India, declared Gandhiji. you could remember the role of Mr. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, has a very, very big role in freedom. How big role it was? It was he, of course. It was not only Mahatma Gandhi, many other leaders, they fought for the freedom. But he was the main leader. But it was not, if someone says कि ले ली या दे दी हमें आज़ादी बिना खटक डाल लो. Of course, it is truth for Mahatma Gandhi. But those freedom fighters who sacrificed their life, the life of Sukhdev, the life of Bhagat Singh, the life of Chandrasekhar Azad, it was full of sacrifices and they were hanged till death. So it will be not honest to say that we gained the freedom without shedding any drop of blood. There was a sacrifice and many people have lost their lives. So here, Mr. Gandhi declared that India is going to be freedom. The whole country was filled with unprecedented optimism. What is optimism, my dear friend? If you are optimistic, you have a very, very bright. We have two types of people, that is optimistic and pessimistic. Here you see, the whole country, here you see, the whole country was filled with an unprecedented optimism. If you are optimistic, you are looking bright side. What was the bright side? The dream of free India. The dream of independence. We were dependent. But here you see that the whole country was filled with an unprecedented optimism. The pride, the hope, the dream, everybody was filled. We the Indians start dreaming, and very soon India declared as an independent country in 1947, 15 August 1947. So here you see, optimistic. In spite of all the thousands years of slavery, 100 years of suffering, malpractice, the Indian have sniffed, they have smelled freedom in the air, and it was quite natural that they were filled with optimism, the bright, the dreams, the bright dreams, the bright aspect of freedom. Here it is. Bright aspect of the freedom. Now come next. Then what he say? I asked my father for permission to leave Rameshwaram. Here you see. Here you see. I asked my father, for permission to leave and study at I asked APJ Abdul Kalam. Why is APJ Abdul Kalam? He asked my father, APJ Abdul Kalam. I is from the APJ Abdul Kalam father, for permission to leave Rameshwaram. As Rameshwaram, the temple street of Rameshwaram, have not better facility for the higher education. So, permission was required. Permission for higher education. Permission for higher education is required. Yes. What happened? Rameshwaram, headquarter. It is headquarter. District of the headquarter. Rameshwaram का जो headquarter था, वो क्या था? Ramanathampuram. I am going to write. Headquarter was. Look at the name of the headquarter. R-A-M, Rama, Na, Natha, Puram. The district headquarters. This was the district headquarters. Ramanathapuram, the district headquarters. The district headquarters. देखो ये है डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर. डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर जो है यही था रामासामपुरम. द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर. Now, come to the 11th paragraph. He told me. Now, here was the why APJ Abdul Kalam asked for the permission. Because for the higher education, he has to go to Ramanathapuram, the district headquarters of the Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram ka, as you are living in Patna, Patna itself is a capital state, capital city. But suppose somebody is living in Muzaffarpur and he is reading in some village of Rameshwaram, Muzaffarpur or Patna. For example, Jahanabad. That is a district of Patna, but it is not the headquarter. The headquarter is the Patna. So the student who is living in Jahanabad, Mokama, Baal, they come to Patna. Why? As it is the district headquarter. Same is the situation with Rameshwaram. As APJ Abdul Kalam's family used to live in the temple of Rameshwaram. There he could not get the opportunity for higher education. So he sought the permission. He asked for the permission from his father. Now come to the last paragraph of the story. Now come to the last paragraph of the story. That is the 11th paragraph. Now come to the para 11. Para 11. ठीक है. Now, he told me as if thinking aloud. सोचते बोला. क्या उनके फादर ने बोला? Abul. His father used to call him Abul. We called him APJ Abdul Kalam. But lovingly, his father called him Abul. Abul, I know you have to go away. to grow. Here you see. Look at the words of his father. He told me as if, suppose, as if matlab mano. Suppose, as if matlab suppose. As if means suppose. मानो के as if suppose he is thinking aloud, जोर से सोच रहे हैं, thinking aloud, loud से बना loud, that is strictly thinking, and say, Abu, I know you have to go. Realizing the fact, as we know, that APJ Abdul Kalam, father Jalaluddin, was a self-disciplined man. He was born with innate wisdom, inborn quality. So he knows, though he was not educated, but he was that much practical that he knows the importance of education. Dear friend, education should be given. If we are unable to provide education to our child, how they could move forward? Education is the stepping stone, that stair or that ladder. शिक्षा वो सीढ़ी है, that stepping stone है वो, that takes you to the maximum height. Remember the words of Bill Gates. If you born as a poor, it is not your fault. But if you die as a poor, it is your fault. Why? Because when you are born, a lot of opportunity is there. The first and foremost opportunity is to receive education properly. And mind it, if you receive the education properly, door of all the opportunity will itself open. It was yesterday, while reading the newspaper, I came to notice that somebody got the 77th rank in UPSC. But see the history. He got only 60% in class 10th, 64% in 11th, 12th, and in graduation 67%. These are his achievements. But see the larger scale benefit. He, on that basis of education, marks doesn't matter. The knowledge, the hard work that you put in any chapter or any class, that matter most. And he became an IS. So dear friend, I am addressing future IS. Everybody over here is my dream children. You are the future leader of our country. Among you, somebody will go to the height. And how? They will go to the height because their parents have realized that they have to go away to grow. Here you see, what is the next thing that he said? The next thing that he said, does the seagull not fly across the sun along the without nest? He quoted Khalil Gibran, the famous poet. क्या उसने बोला? Gibran to his hesitant mother. खलील जिब्रान ने था अपनी मदर को, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम की मदर को समझाने के लिए उन्होंने बोला, क्या बोला? फिर योर चिल्ड्रेन are not your children. They are the sons. They are the sons and daughters. They are the sons and daughters of life. Of life, longing for itself. Look at the words. Here you see the words of Khalil Gibran. Your children, me, आप जो बच्चे हैं, you are not the children of your parents. Your children are not your children. हमारे जो बच्चे हैं वो हमारे नहीं हैं. We are only the biological parents. We are only the biological parents. Your parents are only the biological parents. In fact, they are the sons and daughters of life. जिंदगी के बच्चे हैं आप. Logging itself. Life. And life is longing for it. और एक खुशनुमा जिंदगी उनका इंतजार कर रही है. They are the son and daughter of life longing itself. जो अपने से अपनी जिंदगी के लिए they come through you but not from you. Here you see next word, that what we are the sons and daughters of life longing for itself. Then what next? Here you see, they may come through you. हमारे माँ बाप ने हमें जन्म जरूर दिया है, ठीक है. They may come through you but not for you. Our Father has given us birth. For what? For the time. The time, the world, the society. Time itself is longing. Time still is waiting. The future is waiting. Waiting for those sons and daughters. We are only the biological fathers. And you are for the country. Not for me. Not for your father. But here you see, you may give them, you may give them your love, but not your thoughts. We could only give you birth, but my thinking and your thinking is quite different. As you are, why your thinking is different? Because you are the son and daughters of life that is longing for itself. समय के बच्चे हैं आप. We are only biological father. We have only given you birth. Birth for what? For the time, for the life, for the society. Of course you are my son and daughter, but not for me. As I am working and I am benefiting my society. I am teaching. My father taught me and I am spreading the education. And every year, hundreds of students are being taught. So here you see, the life that was longing for me, the life has prepared me for the role of, to play the role of a teacher. And here I am playing the role of a teacher. So, my thinking is quite different from my father's thinking. It's a problem. It is a simple thing. For they have their own thoughts.